Hello friends, welcome to GK Babaji YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing a very important general awareness topic. This topic is Cabinet Ministers of India 2021 along with their portfolio and constituency. Friends, you might be aware that in most of the competitive exams, at least one or two questions are based on this topic. Thus, I strongly recommend that you watch this video very attentively in order to secure those precious marks. Please note that this list has been updated on 2nd January 2021 and the link to download the PDF file has been given in the description box. Now before moving to the list, I would like to give you an idea about the type of questions that you can expect from this topic. Firstly, you will have pretty straightforward type of questions where you will be asked the name of a particular cabinet minister with defense minister, home minister, tribal affairs minister, etc. Another type of questions would be the exact inverse of the previous type. In such questions, you will be given the name of a union cabinet minister and you have to tell the portfolio which he or she holds. In third type of questions, you will be given pairs of cabinet ministers and portfolios as options and you will have to select that which pair is either correct or incorrect. One more type of questions will be such that you will be given the name of union minister and you will have to select from the options that he or she represents which constituency in Lok Sabha. You may also get advanced type of questions where you will be given the names of union ministers and you will have to match it against their portfolio or constituencies. Okay friends, so I hope you have a fair idea of the type of questions which can broadly be asked from this topic. Now let's move on to the list of union cabinet ministers. Let's start with Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. His constituency is Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. His portfolio comprises Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Space, all important policy issues and all other portfolios that have not been allocated to any minister. Next, we have Shri Rajnath Singh. His constituency is Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. He is the Minister of Defence. Shri Amit Shah. His constituency is Gandhinagar, Gujarat. He is the Minister of Home Affairs. Nirmala Sitharaman, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. She is a member of Rajya Sabha from Karnataka. Her portfolio comprises Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Next we have Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar. He is a member of Rajya Sabha from Gujarat. He is the Minister of External Affairs. Shri Nitin Gadkari. His constituency is Nagpur, Maharashtra. His portfolio comprises Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Next, we have Srimati Smriti Irani. Her constituency is Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. She is the Minister of Textiles as well as Minister of Women and Child Development. Shri Piyush Goyal. He is a member of Rajya Sabha from Maharashtra. His portfolio comprises Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. Next we have Shri D.V. Sadananda Gowda. His constituency is Bangalore North, Karnataka, and he is the Minister of Chemical and Fertilizers. Shri Arjun Munda. His constituency is Khunti, Jharkhand, and he is the Minister of Tribal Affairs. Shri Ravi Shankar Prasad. His constituency is Patna Sahib, Bihar. His portfolio comprises Ministry of Law and Justice, Ministry of Communications, and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Next we have Shri Dharmendra Pradhan. His constituency is he is a member of Rajya Sabha from Madhya Pradesh. He is the Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. He is also the Minister of Steel. Shri Narendra Singh Tomar. His constituency is Morena in Madhya Pradesh, and his portfolio comprises Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Panchayati Raj, and Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Shri Thawar Chand Gehlot. He is a member of Rajya Sabha from Madhya Pradesh. He is the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next we have Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. His constituency is Haridwar in Uttarakhand. He is the Minister of Education. Now it is to be noted that the Ministry of Education was formerly known as Ministry of Human Resource Development. Dr. Harshvardhan. His constituency is Chandni Chowk, Delhi. He is the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Minister of Science and Technology, as well as Minister of Earth Science. Shri Prakash Javadekar. He is a member of Rajya Sabha from Maharashtra. He is the Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. He is also the Minister of Information and Broadcasting and the Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. Next we have Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi. He is a member of Rajya Sabha from Jharkhand. He is the Minister of Minority Affairs. Shri Mahendra Nath Pandey. His constituency is Chandauli in Uttar Pradesh. He is the Minister of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Shri Prahlad Joshi. His constituency is Dharwad, Karnataka, and his portfolio comprises Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Ministry of Coal and Ministry of Mines. Lastly, we have Shri Giriraj Singh. His constituency is Begusarai, Bihar, and he is the Minister of Animal Husbandry, Dairying and Fisheries. So that's it friends for Union Cabinet Ministers. This was the fully updated list. As I mentioned earlier, the list has been updated on 2nd January 2021 and the link to download the PDF has been provided in the description box. I strongly recommend that you thoroughly memorize the full list in order to secure 1 or 2 precious marks. So friends, if you found this video useful, please hit the like button. You may even share it with your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Please subscribe to our channel GK Babaji. Thank you. Have a good day.